Let me see, this part 2 of the video. I just picked up a 95 ZX7 engine. Picked it up from freight. Looks like they gave me some carbs too. I don't know if those are the ones that go on here. They don't look like the ones from the bike I got now from a 94, but you know, if not, they're mystery carbs. Who knows? Pretty dirty. Looks like it's been sitting for a while, but my other engine did too when I did a swap out on this 9 over here. And it turned out to be a monster. So it was great. And there's the original one that was in there. So it's sitting around gaining dust. Anyway, that's what a ZXR750 looks like with no pieces on it. 94. And pretty much got everything disconnected so far except for the main bolts and stuff like that. And we fixing to do that and see how it turns out. So I guess maybe I can set up the camera, do a long, boring ass video, but it might help somebody. Yeah, I'll do that. All right.